The great Albert Einstein once said, "Everybody is a genius, but if you judge fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it's stupid." Similarly, every child is a genius, but one cannot expect everyone to become a doctor, engineer, banker, architect, painter, or a lawyer. To find the genius in your child and their best career fit, we have introduced the Brain Matrix Test. The test is set in two stages. The first stage comprises of scanning fingerprints, which is done using a biometric scanner. These recorded fingerprints are later analyzed to find the genetic intelligence. In the second stage, a student is taken through online psychometric tests where simple questions linked to a person's day-to-day life need to be answered. These recorded answers are compiled to know one's acquired intelligence. From the time a child is born to the time when he becomes a formidable adult, there is a long learning curve. A lot of influences from peers, family, teachers, and everyone around him confuse him to make choices for himself. BMT employs scientifically approved and tested methods to map both inborn and acquired intelligences. Since the data acquisition process is computerized, more than 90% accuracy can be achieved. Once the collected data is analyzed, a report is generated. A well-known fact is that the brain has two hemispheres. This report covers minute information about the individual, which start from categorization of the left-right brain and how the left and right parts of the brain coordinate the major body functions. Further, each side of the brain has 5 lobes. Science has proved that within the same lobe, left and right brain do different specific roles. Further on, total finger ridge count is ascertained, which indicates inborn learning capacity of an individual, and ATD is ascertained, which help us know the speed at which the brain and muscles coordinate in conveying and transmitting information. Adding on, the test also gives an insight on the kind of personality the child has, whether he is more emotion-oriented or action-oriented. It also determines the behavioral traits like dominating or convincing in nature. This is not all. BMT also measures your multiple intelligence based on the most popular theory given by Dr. Howard Gardner, renowned scientist and senior director at Harvard University's Project Zero. He says that there are 8 different kinds of intelligence. One can be word smart, number smart, music smart, picture smart, body smart, people smart, self smart, and nature smart. Though all of us have full range of these intelligences, and that is what defines us, no two individuals, not even identical twins, will have exactly the same intelligence or intellectual profile. The status of the various multiple intelligences help in discovering child's actual forte. We know that humans learn only in 3 ways: by looking at things, by hearing about them, or by doing them. BMT reveals the learning style as well as multiple quotients which can be of great help in academics. To sum up, all the factors, namely functioning of brain lobes, personality, behavior, multiple intelligences, and learning styles are analyzed, and individual strengths and likely challenges are evaluated. Based on these findings, a suited career path is advised, thus determining whether a child is fit to be a rocket scientist or a rock guitarist. Brain Matrix Test, helping children become their own heroes.